Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap About Phone. Now we have to scroll down again and tap on Software Information, because here we are looking for the build number. All we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then we will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, and as you can see, we've got the information that right now we are in the developer mode. So let's go back to the general settings and enter the system. They should be above About Phone. So let's tap on it, and at the very bottom we've got developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the simulate color space, we can set display cutout. As you can see, we can change window animation scale or show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, and so on and so on. So as I said, a lot of options. So in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher at the very top, and as you can see, most of the options are inactive, and after getting back, you can see that the developer options immediately disappear from the system settings. Of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.